All right, Clarencenyc is reacting to TT's Muscular ex-boyfriend destroys my house. Dub family, let's get into it.
Yo. Oh my God, yeah. What the fuck, bro?
I gotta do a lot of Christmas shopping.
Chat.
A lot of Christmas shopping.
Chat.
And I seen a video today that hurted me. Now, obviously, if you get out of a relationship, you take it very, very serious. Your feelings.
Yes. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Y'all gotta start sending more different shit than just DDG and, you know, like the LA niggas and then the Atlanta niggas
are involved. You're very, very.
I would love to react to other shit.
Now, Aries is single, and I know.
Yo, have y'all seen? Matter of fact, yo, have y'all seen the new Carisha Please joint? Cause I haven't. Y'all want to watch that with me? Or what's up? If niggas ain't trying to watch that with me, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? If niggas ain't trying to, y'all niggas seen it already. I'm trying to watch it with niggas that haven't seen it. Like, I hate watching shit with people that seen shit already.
How he's gonna survive nowadays. So I was tagged in this video. I guess Aries is living in a motel or something.
Nigga, G Herbo funny as hell, nigga.
I want to say this before we even get into it.
Copy. There's a lot of people that haven't seen it.
Pray for Aries. Pray for his health. Pray for his safety. And the video that I'm finna show y'all today is very disturbing. All right, so I'm finna start this video now, and I want to thank the person that tagged me in this. So Aries is somewhere in Los Angeles, and
nigga, G Herbo funny as fuck, bro. If y'all follow him on Instagram, that nigga funny, bro.
Alright.
Balls problems with the sub, bro. The resub. Welcome back, gang.
He's in a yoga position.
Bro, that's Aries?
He's gonna do yoga, get ready to jump in the pool. That's not the case.
Make myself a little bigger.
I thought at this moment Aries was gonna start scratching.
The fuck is Aries doing?
But it seems like he in a radical state. This is disturbing, so let's keep going.
Bro, G Herbo put some random shit on his
I think he's still stretching.
Random funny shit.
Now I thought maybe a bee or something got on his chest and he did this motion, as you can see, but that wasn't the case.
What the fuck is Aries doing?
Ever since TT broke up with Aries, he's been tripping out, as you can see in this video. But I'm gonna do enough talking.
Nah, that ain't off drugs. That ain't water. Nah, what? And he lost mad weight.
What in the world is going on? Is Aries? Y'all check on Aries.
Someone in the background is looking for T.O. I don't know where they at. Probably in the facility of T.O. But if you can hear in the background. Shit, I don't know what's going on in this video. And then I don't know if y'all seen.
Bro, that's not even Aries, bro. This nigga's stupid, bro.
I think that's against the law. Let's go back and start. He's at 15 feet. You're like, I don't think that's safe.
Yo, bro, it don't look like Aries from the back, though. They got the same.
That do not look like Aries either, bro. Like, that, I mean, how you just gonna lose all your muscles? Like, this dude is not muscular at all. All right? And Aries had muscles for years. Like, you just can't lose all that muscle tone in soon now. This is some random dude slapping himself. Okay, if you say so, Dub. Y'all know, you would know better than I do.
Cut, bro. These niggas got the same. They got that same skin tone. They got the same mob player skin tone, bro. Skin tone number 15.
What's gonna happen?
He don't even look like he's tall enough to be Aries.
Right now, it's very.
That's definitely skin tone number 15.
Aries is a strong man, as you can see. He's literally finna rip this tree in half. And y'all gonna see this. Y'all probably think I'm lying, but Aries is literally finna rip this tree in half. Just watch.
Pray for Aries.
What T.O. did to that man in the background. But he's looking for you, T.O. Now, right now, Aries is finna rip this tree in half. See?
Yeah, he going to jail.
They called the police on Aries.
Nah, bro, swear that nigga need help, bro.
This
I'm
right
not
here is a
gonna
random
lie.
picture of Skylar.
Wherever that nigga
Why
at,
is on my phone? That's a random picture.
Leave them drugs alone. Please leave the drugs alone, y'all. It's serious. They've been talking about drugs since, like, you know, they used to have their little infomercials with the egg and everything. Y'all shout out if y'all remember, if y'all seen the old school advertisements. But they need to start airing those again, apparently. It didn't work the first time, but maybe it'll work now, because this is some ridiculous stuff.
Skylar, but I gotta finish Christmas shopping, so let's get out of here. Whoa, don't get hit by a car now.
Dub really lost mad weight, bro. Yo, clap it up for Dub, man. Because I thought he was lying this whole time. I thought he was capping. Bro. W Dub, man.
I mean, he lost a lot of weight when he was sick, though. But I'm glad he better, and I'm glad he looking good, doing good, feeling good. And I like to point out that he did not tear the tree in half. He just pulled off some the disc, though. But, you know, that's me being petty. I do it on occasion. That's why it's Petty Reactions. Love y'all.
Wub in the chat, man. Wub in the chat.
Wub. You see Clare being petty again, y'all. I tell y'all, it's love, but it's a little petty.
Bro. Dub looks skinny as shit here. Or am I bugging? Am I bugging, bro? This nigga look like...
He look good. He looking like he living his best life. So I'm happy for him.
Like fucking... Bro, this nigga lean as hell.
I'm continuing Christmas shopping. Now, I just bought somebody a Christmas gift, right? And I had my mom go buy it.
No more titties?
I don't want to cover the store. Look how much I gotta give her.
Clare! Oh my gosh. See, this is what I tell y'all. Did I not tell y'all last video? I said, Clare, if you out there, if you listening, swear you petty fam, because why he gotta bring up the man breast? This video is about Dub, TT's muscular ex-boyfriend messing up the house. We saw, what was that, 5 minutes of that? And then the bro walking down the street trying to get Christmas gifts, and we had to talk about the man breast. Like, bruh. He said, so long to the girls.
900 and... You can't see it?
Wait. I can't see shit, bro.
Damn it. $937 for one gift. That's what I'm still doing. So now, I'm in here getting somebody else a gift. I got to pick it up right now. Just continuing my Christmas shopping. We can't show it, but it is, obviously, because everybody watch our videos. You know? Hopefully they watch our videos. Because Aries calling me from.
Alright.
Oh, shit, we can't show the present. But yeah, Aries called me for some reason.
Again?
Leave me alone, bro. Seriously, leave me alone. Look, call him back again.
I mean, what happened when, you break up with people? Do y'all relatives still talk to your ex? I don't know. I then told mine, I'm like, they out the family. If I break up, you break up. Don't be having them as friends if I ain't messing around with them no more.
It just ended. Brittany calling.
You better answer Brittany. She ain't playing with you.
Hello?
You gotta come over here before I whoop Aries' ass.
What?
He is over here breaking dishes, pulling stuff off the bed. He done knocked the picture off the wall.
Breaking dishes and that thing. Y'all know that Rihanna song, Breaking Dishes, old school, yeah, before Fendi. Y'all don't know it. Y'all go ahead and Google, go on YouTube and find the Breaking Dishes or whatever, okay? Because I like that song. That Breaking Dishes is hard. I don't think it got enough spins.
Sakura, welcome back.
He just messed the whole
With the resub. Appreciate you, Genji.
That's our house. Good line.
Where's you at, nigga?
Why'd you at my house?
Appreciate that, gang.
Baby girl, why you open the door? Aries would have had to kick my darn door down. I ain't gonna open no door to no Aries. Sis. I'm be calling Doug all the cops. Like, what Doug gonna do?
What
not gonna lie, I'm shooting a nigga over dishes.
Our house got robbed.
No cap.
Fuck this nigga house, man. Fuck this nigga house.
I'm shooting niggas over dishes. You come in my crib and you break dishes, I'm shooting you.
Where is
In
he at?
GTA, no cap.
Clarence don't like a whole lot of mess. That's what I've learned over these years. Like, he don't like a disorderly house, and I don't like disrespecting my house. So, all right, I'm calling Claire. If you breaking my house and you breaking dishes.
Nigga, I'm at fucking Walmart. Where the fuck? Why the fuck is you in my house?
I'm not fucking playing, bro.
You know how much some dishes be?
Is he really breaking shit?
Fucking weird, bro. You weird.
Did you not see the dishes on the floor, Dub? I mean, I saw the dishes from here, and you can't see it on your phone. Come on, Dub. But I mean, you gotta defend your baby mama now.
Bro, it takes exactly 2 years to get rid of a broken glass. 2 years. Like, bro, you break a glass a year later, right? You just walk in, shit, big ass glass in your foot. Now you're bleeding. Now you gotta sweep up. A couple months later, boom, again. Bro, it's crazy, bro. Broken glass is crazy. Am I lying, Sakura? Am I lying?
On our plates. Look at this.
What the hell?
I'm not lying.
I mean, at the very least, go get you some plates. Since you at Walmart, you gotta replace the stuff he breaking.
Broken glass is
Bro,
crazy.
why are you in my house?
You break a glass in the kitchen, you'll find
What
a
you
broken
mean,
glass
nigga?
in the
You-
bathroom. Like,
So you
yo,
in
what
my
the
house?
fuck?
So you in my house because I'm fucking blind date, but you ain't do shit to me.
You're right, it be traveling. It's like they got legs. You got that piece of glass, and it's like, how did you get all the way across the room? Like, you shattered the glass in front of the cabinet or in front of the refrigerator, and then it's all the way near the bathroom. Like, how you get all the way down there? It be traveling. I'm with you, Claire.
Oh, I'm gonna pull up to you and slap the shit out of you, nigga. Is you, yo, Brittany? You ain't playing. Wait. You not playing, is you?
You know what? I think Dub need to call his daddy. Like, his daddy. I don't think his mama play either. I don't think TC even play. TC got it. You know what? She look cute and sweet, but she got a little thug in her. But, you know, if it was me, I'd just be like, I'm going to get my pops, because he from way back, and he don't take no mess, and he going to clear he going to air everything out.
You're not playing no joke, is you? That's not my fucking dishes, is it?
Nah, that's your dishes, bro. Get your gun.
After this shit, I gotta go back to my fucking tent.
That ass, they teleport. Glass teleport, bro. I don't know how, bro. They just got a different, bro. Them shits teleport, bro. Shits will be downstairs, nigga. Like, yo, bro, I broke the glass upstairs in the attic. Like, the fuck? Get your gun, dub. Just get it. Because basically, that's it. Like, nigga, he's Woo-Wop's dad right now.
My niggas actually.
Lucky Woo-Wop didn't see that. Woo-Wop.
He said when another man come to your house breaking stuff with your girl there, he said, yo, he the daddy of the house now. He said, bro, you need to come back and reclaim your castle, bro. Like, I mean, to me, that's ultimate disrespect. Like, when you come to a man house and you up here, you know, man or woman house, don't come to my house either, thinking you run stuff. Like, you can't be breaking stuff in my house. It ain't happening.
Slap the shit out of Aries. My nigga Woo-Wop don't play that. Say word, Chad.
Is in my guy.
Word. That part.
Damn house.
Say word, Chad. Woo-Wop with a
Word.
slap Aries. Nigga pulled up. Nigga, come over here.
Y'all wait till Woo-Wop grow up. All he gotta do is get a little bit taller. His gonna be over. He gonna be slapping everybody.
Come down here. Slap.
Ready to fight?
Get out.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I ain't scared of the
Woo-Wop
nigga.
don't play that shit, bro.
I'm just saying.
Oh, Woo-Wop.
Yeah, that's what you call Woo-Wop. He said he gonna be like, hey, lean down. He gonna tear them ankles up. That knee gone, bro. The knee is gone. He said, no, you not breaking my mama dishes. What am I eat off of? Yeah, he don't even need to call Grandpa. He need to get Woo-Wop. That's what it is. Woo-Wop said, I got you, Daddy.
Brittany gotta call Woo-Wop next
Shit
time.
getting deeper. I'm
not really feeling Dub's
Why niggas
reaction.
always doing shit to me?
I'm not either. He a little frustrated. He ain't upset. I'm with you, Claire. I would have been like speeding. He had teleported to the house.
Wow, yo, Jay, what would have murked?
Alright, let me click that.
Oh, goodness. We ain't got woo-wop charges already. He ain't even made to high school yet.
Yo, what would have murked him, Jay? No funny shit. I believe that. I swear to God, I believe that.
I do too. We a baby thug, y'all.
Oh shit, that's really serious. What?
Yo. Bro, what would have murked that kid?
Bro, I'm not playing, bro. I walk in this house and my shit messed up, bro. I'm really gonna turn up on him.
Are you ready to fight him, bro?
Man, what is you talking about? Stop being funny.
Alright, alright.
Bro, stop. Are you serious? Are you really let him in this house and do all this shit?
Bro, that nigga did extra shit.
Why did you let him in? Why would you?
I'm not gonna lie. See, let me break this down now. Cause this is, even though this is not real life, in real life shit like this happens, right? Let me tell you why you have to blame Brittany in this predicament right here. Now,
I'm with you too because y'all leave y'all door unlocked. Don't do that. Maybe she already had it unlocked because he was coming. That's what we gonna say, okay? And for all my petty fam out there, please lock your doors. I don't care if you live in a country or not. I don't care if you live in a nice building or not. Lock the doors. That's what it's there for. That's what it's made for. That's what it's made for. You know how that song go. It also applies to locks.
that probably happened an hour ago, right? Why is that crib still like that?
I'll tell you why, bruh. I mean, I got you. I like Brittany. I don't know. The little piece I saw of Brittany, she cool with me. But I see what he's saying. He's saying that it should still be a mess, right? From a woman's perspective, you need him, if you want your man to turn up. And we family, so, sometimes us ladies be doing stuff. we be on some, let's make the situation where it's like, I need you to avenge me, so I need the brother to see the mess that I experienced, in order to fully grasp it. Because if you clean it up, Dom is gonna be like, it wasn't that bad, what you caught me for? I'm gonna go back to Walmart, right? You got to leave the mess the way it is for him to react appropriately. You saw it in the video, he wasn't getting it. He didn't see all of it. I mean, the arrogant, tired of live. Kind of thug, break your stuff and come over here and then leave. He got tired, he got other stuff to do. He in the bathroom. That's what it is.
Why is the crib still like that? Like, you know what I'm saying? That shit is even worse than what I remember. Like, yo, bro. No, let me, why? But like, you know why though? Let me tell you why. Because she wants him to see it.
Thank you, Claire. See, Claire be knowing. See, that's why Claire my boo. He ain't figured it out. I ain't even had to tell him. He ain't had to watch my video for that. Watch it anyway. Like, comment, subscribe, and all. Share if you care and everything. Hey, MH, what's up? Shout out to you. Thanks for hanging with me, for sticking with me, for loving us. We appreciate you, girl. All right? Seriously. Okay.
She wants Dub to see it. And she wants to see how Dub about to react. She wants to see Dub go to jail right now.
Shout out to Mesa Preppy too. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Christmas. Happy New Year to all of y'all. We love you dearly.
You see, y'all would too. But now your boyfriend is going to jail. Because now he comes home and 3 dishes is broken. Nigga.
See, right though. You got to think about like, do I want him to avenge me because I'm mad right now? Or do I just want to go visit him in jail or not visit him, But that's one way to move on. If he got the picture, you can't see him no more. Stop coming back. I don't know what she on. I don't know. But yeah, if you like your man, if y'all still trying to make this work, you want him to see it. Like, you could take a picture, right, and show him how bad it was, but then clean it up, right? You need to be sometimes like A, I wouldn't open the door. But B, I would hope that maybe I would try to diffuse the situation versus being like, you need to go fight Aries. Because unless Aries got as skinny as the first part of the video that we saw, and then Dub might be able to take him, that brother be lifted. Like, he might, y'all go ahead and check my Clarencenyc out, you know, the compilation thing, and you can see how Agent just threw Aries across, Agent threw Kyle across the room. Now, I don't know. I mean, Dub is a taller. They about the same height, you know, but if it's Dub and Aries in a fight, I got Aries. I'm sorry. I know this is a video. I know that's shady. I'm a little petty. I told y'all that. But, you can't just run up on Aries. Especially be mad. And, you know, dare I say, you know, I'm older than everybody around this thing. But I think Aries a little younger than Dub too, you know. Age matters. You gonna have some sore spots. You gonna need some stuff worked on, bruh. Don't be running up on Aries. If Aries has left the building, you just go ahead and get the broom and clean this up and be like, dude tripping. How Brittany think you a punk? I don't know. Have a down you as a man. Like, I don't know. That's better than getting sore and being in the hospital, getting in jail. Like, sorry you feel that way, Brittany. If I'm Dub, I'm gonna be like, oh, that bro is tripping. You don't want no smoke, bruh.
Got pasta on the floor. Now I gotta kill him. But he could have came home. Maybe the sofa was fucked up a little bit. You know what I mean? A little bit. Now she could explain to him like, yo, Aries was bugging. You need to go you need to go handle that. That's what I'm saying. That's how niggas get killed, bro.
That's true. You know, and honestly, I probably would want my man. Like, if we in together, we in a relationship, I'm your baby mama. Like, I don't need nobody disrespecting me, especially about your sister. Like, if it was a dude I was messing with, he disrespecting me, that's, you know, that's me not cleaning my stuff up, right? But if this is your sister's boyfriend that breaks shit in my house, that's a lot. Like, why you didn't go see TT if TT the one you got an issue with? You know? Like, why you gotta go to her house to break up stuff?
And you know him and TT broke up.
You need to.
Why the fuck is this bitch
I
ass
come
in
in
my
here and
house?
see this, bro. Nah.
I ain't fighting shit.
Not the garbage.
What you mean you
There's mad Doritos. Like, what if I wanted that?
Plates and stuff.
This is our dishes.
Look what he did to the picture.
What the fuck did he have to do with anything? What the fuck he dropped the... This nigga was in the room.
Oh,
He
nigga
went
dropped a
everywhere.
picture of
He
Wop.
said
Nigga broke a
he
picture of
slapped
Wop.
the shit out of you. So
Where's
he
Wop,
whooped
man?
his ass. He pushed me and everything.
Yeah.
Nah, don't be pushing no lady there. All right, Dub, you have to get yourself together, get your mind right. Don't be pushing on Brittany. Now I'm on Team Clarence. Like, he gotta get talked to, handle, whatever you need to do.
He did. I'm not gonna lie.
How you call your damn daddy? Shit. Now how do you flip this couch over?
Not gonna lie. And then it's like, bro, Aries, you're not fighting Aries, bro.
That part. You not fighting Aries, bruh. You really not. Like, you can't. You said that, Clarence. You was not fighting Aries. You just not. Get it out your head. Get your real life about yourself. Like, that is not happening, Captain. Like, you gonna have to sneak his boy. Like, he gonna have to be sleeping. You just jump him or something. Like, you ain't gonna head up fight Aries.
I'm not fighting that nigga. That nigga looks like he been bodybuilding since 3 years old.
Y'all need to get Woo Wop in a workout program today, you know, so he can fight Aries in the future when he get old or something.
3 years old. That is like, bro, that nigga, he was created. Like, no funny shit. Like, niggas breeded Aries. No funny shit. You not fighting that nigga, bro.
He a whole athlete and he love his workout program. You saw it with y'all saw them old videos? He had protein shakes. He did a workout thing. He was trying to help TT work out. I think he tried to help Dub work out before. And Deshae, you know? I'd rather live a car for fun.
It was, then he got his surrogate, and his surrogate was Arnold Schwarzenegger. That nigga got a surrogate. Yo, no funny shit, bro.
Michael John White is his daddy.
Why tell him this shit?
The Rock.
Tell Aries to show you his dad. His dad probably dumb small, gang. Guarantee you, bro.
His dad probably still got muscles today. His grandpa got muscles. His mama got muscles.
Did he just do
Guarantee, bro.
Yeah, he did it so like it was a piece of feather.
That
You need to put
you
me
can't
in
fight that
series.
nigga, bro. You gotta
I'm
shoot
not
him.
scared of nobody. I'm
GTA.
saying like the nigga.
Yeah, she said you need to stop being scary. I'm not scared of nobody. You see the broken glass? I mean, what else you expected? What you looking for? I hope he got your money too, since you scary. What you keep walking on broken glass for? What is he looking for? He's stalling because he's scary. You should have been called that brother. As soon as she said the bro pushed me. And where's Woo-Wop? Woo-Wop is living his best life. He like, what, he 10? He on a date or something.
Breaking dishes? I don't like anything gonna change. He came in here just breaking stuff.
What did he say he did?
And then you can't look like a bitch in front of your girl too. Like
Ain't nobody been.
That part, Brittany. Girl. I'm with Claire. If nothing else, you can't look like that in front of your girl. She come for you for help. You like, what did you complain about? He like, I help you mop it up. He like, what the broom? Where the broom at, girl? He took the broom. Now, if he took the broom, it's on. She already know what she dealing with, boy. She ain't been with this brother for a long time. They ain't had woo up and everything. She knows she shouldn't have no expectations about this. Po Brittany.
might have to really.
You laughing about a nigga
Like,
terrorizing my
man.
house? He flipped my goddamn couch over.
I have to call my mans or something. Jump this nigga.
So what the what?
No funny shit.
This nigga dropping Doritos and shit. What the
He
fuck?
said
You gotta get jumped.
and your brother he living in a tent.
You know, you gotta get jumped.
I'm telling you everything he told me.
I don't like
So what
Doug's
the fuck
reaction
was he-
though,
what
bro.
was he gonna
I'm not
do if I
really
was
feeling
here?
Doug's reaction.
I'm not feeling it either, Clarence. It's like he real calm. I mean, even if you peaceful and you anti-violent and, you know, you on some like vegan and like, you know, on a peaceful retreat type stuff to, you know, help your health and all. Maybe his blood pressure up. See, I don't know if he be going through, Doug might have had blood pressure issues and he may not be trying to see no smokes because he ain't trying to, you know, his blood pressure get up if he get mad. Maybe that's it. You gotta do you, Doug, but I'm with Claire, like, I ain't seeing no, like, he, like, don't care, like, y'all comment in the chat if y'all know if him and Brittany are still together or something, because he look like, you know, this is ex, like, he like, sorry for you, girl, that's a problem you gotta deal with on your own, like, I don't know what you want me to do.
He said he was gonna whoop your ass. You need to go find him. I don't even know if he left for real. All I heard was the door closed.
Where's Doug? Where's Woo-Wop?
We'll go check.
Where is Woo-Wop? You know, and he was threatening, like, Aries need to get himself together. Like, don't be no baby thug. Because, you know, wasn't this time last year he was threatening Deshae and breaking in his thing and beat him up.
If he here, you go fight him.
Ain't nobody here.
You don't know that.
Nigga said Aries' dad didn't raise him, he raised him. Yo.
TT,
Yeah.
look what your bitch ass fuck ass.
Y'all, I'm so done. He got Aries' number. Aries just called you sweetheart. He gonna call TT. TT smarter than everybody. Like, you know who they could call? They could call DDG. At least he used to be a boxer, you know? He still got them mans. We saw it. And why you ain't called the DDG yet? And DDG up here living his best life, you know? He dating mermaids and stuff. He ain't got time for this. But yeah, well, TT the last person I call. Like, you supposed to defend her too. She your little sister. I mean, like y'all said, she a thugette though. She might get him right, but I don't know. I wouldn't have called my little sister. Like, you the older brother, bruh.
Bitch ass boyfriend did to my.
Nah, why? How is his case so red though?
Look what Don't your bitch ass ex fuck.
Why his shit look redder than mine though?
That's your question? I need to get a red case like that though. It's nice. But that phone way too big for me. That's one of them the men phones with the big hands and stuff. Like,
Am I bugging? Bro, why his shit look so red though?
He got a good quality camera, bro. This the same one.
Like, yo, bro. Is my shit fit? Bro, I got this at Apple though, gang. Nigga got a blood orange case. Nah, that.
Yo, chat love you. They just is like, it's the lighting. Get over it.
That's crazy.
Fuck ass, bitch ass boyfriend did to my fucking house.
You got a blood orange joint. Need that.
What the heck?
What the heck? What you mean? Like, look at
Nigga said, what the heck?
this.
Not my boyfriend.
He did this because of your
Yo.
That part is over, Dub. His beef is with you. It ain't with her. She said, we broke up. We been through this. He your problem now. You want to be friends with people outside of our relationship. You still want to have Aries' number saved in your phone, and you deal with him.
Oh.
But that's not my boyfriend. Why are you calling me? Why aren't you calling him?
That part. See why I tell you, TT, my girl. She said, you got his number. What, you need a reference? Like, you got my permission to handle this yourself.
They got the blood orange shit.
Look, he even flipped Woo out picture though.
But I'm saying that has nothing to do with me. I didn't do that. That's not my boyfriend.
Are you gonna slide
Was
or
he
what?
abusive to you? Like, did he put his hands on
Oh,
you
you
at
got
any
the
time?
14. I don't got the
No.
14.
So what the
He
fuck I'm
shitting
supposed
on
to
me
do?
right
Fight him? Or should I just
Yeah.
call the police?
I don't got the 14.
I mean,
Y'all got the
like,
14?
why would you
Who
call
got the
me?
14 in here?
Go fight him.
Dub, you gotta do something, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Got to. I mean, maybe
You have to. Look what he did to her house.
Messed up your house.
So how should I call him? What should I say?
You know where his tent at? Go pull up on him.
She said, you know where his tent is. At least blow it down, Big Bad Wolf. Huff and puff and blow his tent down. I mean, what's up, bruh? You know what? Dub, I'm going to say it. And I'm going to mean it because I'm being petty right now. I think he got to LA for us, right? You know? He got all this fancy stuff. You know, I know he got designer digs. He lost some weight, all that good stuff. You know, he be buying expensive presents, but still shopping at Walmart. All that good stuff. You know, I'm here for all of that. Congratulations for working hard, all that good stuff. But you ain't forgot where you came from, bruh. I don't know. They from Pontiac, right? I mean, don't be thug all the time, but you know, at least let the people know, like, you can't be running up on me, because people gonna keep trying you, dog. You gotta do something. You gotta say something. You gotta act like I'm at least go see him and we're gonna talk about something, you know? Even if y'all talk it out, at least say you gonna talk to the bruh to get him to quit disrespecting you, right? You gonna turn the other cheek. You need to just go ahead and get the room.
Alright.
I don't got the 14. Niggas getting money in here.
Man, this is the problem with the world. Niggas always want to fight. What the fuck are you laughing for?
Now you, and everybody else watching knew when he was at Walmart that he wasn't gonna fight everybody, which is cool. But my thing is, why did you make her wonders by crunching on and, like Claire said, trailing the broken glass everywhere? Help Brittany turn this table over. I mean, the table and the chair over. Pick up Woo Wop's thing, put it back on the wall if you must, you know. Get the broom and everybody happy. You know, get her a really nice Christmas gift for being inconvenienced and pushed, right? Get her some self-defense classes because she got to defend herself. Brittany says, you know, you can't always rely on a man to support you and back you up like that. Sometimes you gotta thug it out. get you some karate classes, you know. That Krav stuff, you know, learn how to do you some capoeira. You know, we gotta take care of ourselves. You can't be depending on these brothers like that. Sad truth, but you know, like, you know, you saw the Queen video the other day. Sometimes you gotta take it to the next level. At least lock your door though. That's my thing. That's step number one. Lock your door so don't open it to everybody.
So Tory Lane's in court right now.
Scary.
I'm not
scared. Yeah, you're scary for sure. You're scary.
19.
That nigga 19 years old. Go get out of
All
here.
that working out for what? Scratch.
He 19. His muscles are 50. His muscles is prime 20 or something. Like, he got some age on the muscles now. That bro can just enter one of the muscle building contests and win. You know what I mean? He can get a Hollywood movie right now.
In the back of your head.
Yeah, my neck itch.
What?
That nigga answered you quick.
Duh, why you scary? He's talking about he answered too quick. Oh, he answered too quick. Bruh. And he answered like he knew Dub wasn't on nothing. He's like, why is you bothering me now? I tried to look for you before. Now, Aries didn't calm down. That's how long he took to get there. Aries like, never mind. Like, I'm over it. I feel better. I'm taking her out of peace.
Nigga said that nigga answered too quick. That nigga not pussy at all. Like, nigga, I'm with all the smoke. Nigga answered first ring. Like, nigga didn't give me no time to think about what I was about to say, bro.
Should be a little bit more aggressive. I got it. Watch this.
Bro, I don't got the iPhone 8, bro. I got the 13. Yo, don't try.
No, shut the fuck up. I'm finna call. Hey, where you at, bro?
Bro, it don't matter.
Man, it do matter, nigga. Why the fuck you fuck up my crib, nigga? I'm pulling up, nigga.
Bitch, nigga.
Man, shut.
Fucking phone. You started this shit, nigga.
So what you said, Brittany? You said he's gonna do when you see me?
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you when I see you, bro. Cause you never should have. It had nothing to do with you, nigga.
He feeling the punches down his head. I mean, I give Dub like a little clap because he need an acting role, y'all. Y'all don't know. He brought that out from deep within. He did the man he wanted to be. He like, I wish I was like hard like this. He's like, let me give you the, don't mess with my girl. If you mess with my girl, give him a little Nivea. I'm gonna be the one to bring it to you. See? Yeah, that's what y'all need to call. If y'all know who Nivea, y'all need to get her. She'll get it popping. Call Christiane.
So that's really what you want to do? You want to fight?
You gonna go whoop his ass. That's a little boy. You let him come in here and ruin my goddamn plates that I bought.
Brittany about to whoop you if you don't whoop her.
So if you was at home, none of that shit would happen, bro. But you hiding, you running away and shit, bro. You weird.
So you want to fight me?
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, bro. Now it won't even be a fight.
That word. I ain't no better woman, but I got my money on Aries all day. You know, he ain't cute too, but I'm just saying, like, it just pound for pound, the best fighter. You know, I got Aries, like, he know he don't even want to pretend like he gonna fight Aries.
It won't.
Niggas really want violence nowadays. Niggas trying to stop the violence and shit. Look, nigga, just come through, clean this shit up, and we ain't got shit else to talk about.
Nigga, what?
The fuck you mean come clean it up?
This shit out, bro. That shit even make sense, bro?
No. What he do all that for? He gonna come back clean it. I'm sorry. Let me clean this up. He said, pretty with it. What you gonna unshove her? Like, how you gonna unshove your girl?
You think that nigga about to come up? You think that nigga about to come back and sweep?
Nigga, I know you.
That nigga about to come back and sweep the floor with you, nigga. With your shit.
In that little tent. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. When I see you, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, nigga. I don't know where the fuck you at, nigga. It's windy outside. Your tent could have blew away, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?
He said it's windy outside. He's like, I want to go back out there. I'm cold. He said it's windy. Your tent could have blew away. Why are you being petty? He gonna get an extra look for that. Don't be talking about that man's tent. Respect the tent.
Fuck fuck wrong with you? Drop your location, nigga. Me and Skylar pulling up.
Me and Scholar.
Why you get Skylar in this?
Nigga, matter of fact, nigga. Damn, what the fuck did you just stick your tongue for?
Yeah, what was that?
Skylar know you in this shit. This nigga really came to my
So
goddamn
you
house.
finna have Skylar fighting your battles?
No.
You scared?
Why you didn't
That part.
clean nothing up? Like, why you didn't try to
I
do
wanted
shit?
you to see that it was true.
Why you just say
You see?
I see it on it.
Yo, bro, Joyce be lying to niggas, bro. Like, I want you to see this shit.
Then you still not gonna clean this shit up. Take my goddamn hat off. And who was with him?
Are you going to get the broom?
Damo.
Damo?
First of all, he know the business. He know what it is. He better clean that up because Brittany gonna have her hands on him. She ain't playing. He already know. He may not avenge her, but he gonna clean up.
Damo who? Damo? Chino Damo?
Yo, gym partner.
I'm finna whoop Damo motherfucking ass.
Bro, hey.
I can handle Damo.
What does
no,
Damo got to do with that, nigga? Niggas is picking and choosing when they
I'm
want to
beating the
fight.
shit out of Damo.
You kind of acting like a bitch, bro.
How?
How you gonna fight Damo?
I'm gonna be honest, like, you in a
How?
hole, bro. You gotta fight Aries, bro.
What is you talking about? What if him and TT get back together? I ain't trying to get in that shit.
So you gonna fight Damo for something Aries did?
Damo disrespected me. He came to my house. Bro, what is y'all both
Nigga said he
talking
came
about?
to my house.
I'd rather Aries in jail than dead. Cause I'm gonna go to Damo house and beat the shit out of him. I'm gonna beat his ass to death.
He ain't with the violence, but he gonna beat Damo to them. Like, what? Excuse me.
Yo, bro, what is when I guess I'm gonna beat his ass to death?
I'd rather Aries in jail than dead. Cause I'm gonna go to Damo house and beat the shit out of him. I'm gonna beat his ass to death.
So you gonna fight Damo over something Aries did?
Man, listen, you talking to me. You should be calling the police saying that Damo is fin to die. Finna beat the dog shit out of his ass. Come to my goddamn house.
You don't even sound right. You sound like you're scared of Aries.
I'm not scared of Aries. I just rather Aries suffer in jail with Damo. This is his last day.
Claire couldn't take it. Claire had to leave his seat and sit on the couch and laugh like he wanted to. Sheesh. Oh my.
Happy before Christmas. Hope you ain't got no Christmas present. You ain't gonna open it, bitch. Man, clean this shit up, man.
I'm not cleaning nothing up.
Yo, dumb is fucking stupid,
Why you
bro.
didn't try to
I
do
wanted
shit?
you to see that.
Yo, nigga said you should call the cops and tell them Damo about to die. Yo, bro, what is wrong with that nigga, bro?
Still
Yo,
not gonna clean this shit up.
I'm fucking in
I'm gonna be
tears,
honest,
bro.
like,
So you gonna fight Damo for?
What is y'all both talking about? I'd rather Aries in jail than dead. Cause I'm gonna go to Damo house and beat the shit out of him. I'm gonna beat his ass to death.
So you gonna fight Damo over something Aries did?
Man, listen, you talking to me. You should be calling the police saying that Damo is fin to die. Finna beat the dog shit out of his ass. Come to my goddamn house.
You don't even sound right. You sound like you're scared of Aries.
I'm not scared of Aries. I just rather Aries
Yo, bro.
suffer in jail with Damo. This is his last day. He finna die before Christmas. Hope you ain't got no Christmas present. You ain't gonna open it, bitch. Goddamn house.
Yo, bro, one more time.
Gym partner.
Yo,
I'm finna whoop
bro.
Damo motherfucking ass.
bro, hey,
No, I'm beating the shit out of Damo.
you kind of acting like a bitch, bro.
How?
How you gonna fight Damo?
I'm gonna be
Niggas
honest, like,
coming out my nose,
oh,
bro.
you gotta fight Aries, bro.
Yo.
What is you talking about? What if him and TT get back together? I ain't trying to get in that shit.
So you gonna fight Damo for something Aries did?
Damo disrespected me. He
Nigga
came
said
to my
Damo
house.
disrespected
Bro, what is y'all both talking about? I'd rather Aries in jail than dead. Cause I'm gonna go to Damo house and beat the shit out of him. I'm gonna beat his ass to death.
So you gonna fight Damo over something Aries did?
Man, listen, you talking to me. You should be calling the police saying that Damo is fin to die. Finna beat the dog shit out of his ass. Come to my goddamn house.
You don't even sound right. You sound like you're
Oh, Damo. Damo, that's why you gotta watch who you run with, bro.
scared of Aries.
Yo, I've never seen a funnier plea like, yo, bro.
This is his last day. He finna die before Christmas. Hope you ain't got no Christmas present.
Can't
Open
open
them
them
bitches.
bitches. Yo, dumb
Man,
guy. I
clean
gotta
it
call
up,
him.
man.
I'm not cleaning
Why he threw that shit though? Yo, I gotta call that nigga, bro. That's a funny nigga.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the No-No Squad.